Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y ask and 2x. They are degrees number 1. So this is about homogeneous. Now I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v, and this is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one I will put in here. This one we need to change by this one. Later that we divide both sides by s. Next we need to open parentheses. V plus v, we have 2v. Next, I will put 2v go to the right, and we have negative 2v. This one I will put on the left, dx and s we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2 minus 2v. This one I will have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s, and we got about v, so we need to change v into y over s, and here is the final answer.